What is a dolphin? Dolphins are marine mammals which breed here and give birth to live young. They are socially skilled, intelligent, agile, joyful, and playful creatures that share many emotional similarities with humans. Dolphins live in a variety of aquatic environments, including oceans, sea, and in some cases freshwater, rivers, and lakes. They are highly adaptable and can be found in both warm and cold waters. While most dolphins are found in salt water, some species like river dolphins are exclusively freshwater inhabitants. Dolphins are active predators and eat a wide variety of fishes, squids, and crustaceans such as shrimps. The foods available to a dolphin vary with its geographic location. Dolphins such dolphins show strong preference for certain species of food. Coastal dolphins tend to eat fishes and bottom-dwelling invertebrates. Dolphins are known to be friendly and curious towards humans. They often approach swimmers and divers, showing a keen interest in interacting. While their behavior can be seen as a sign of affection or curiosity, it's essential to respect their space and not disturb them. Dolphins aren't normally aggressive to people and certainly don't eat us, but they have been known to attack swimmers at times, according to American Oceans, a conversation group that teaches about marine species. Dolphins can attack for a variety of reasons, including because they may perceive humans as threats. Dolphins are sometimes kept in captivity and trained to perform tricks. The most common dolphin species in captivity is the bottlenose dolphin. All dolphins are highly mobile, powerful predators who hunt fast moving fish, squid, and other sea creatures. They have super streamlined bodies, blubber to keep them warm, a single blowhole, and most have a dorsal fin and counter shading camouflage, which means they are darker on their back than their belly.
All over you by yourself. Eh? You want some attention? Hmm? Oh, wait there. Oh, there you go. You got a buddy. Yeah. Don't blow the water for me. Yeah, blow water for me. Yeah. Yeah.
Dolphins have several natural predators, primarily large sharks and killer whales. Although some species are apex predators, human activities also pose significant threats such as entanglement in fishing gear, population, and habitat destruction. Yes, dolphins are mammals. Like all mammals, they are warm blooded, breathe air through their lungs, and give birth to live young. They also have blubber, a layer of fat that helps them stay warm in the water, and some species have a small amount of hair on their bodies shortly after birth. Dolphins range in size from 1.7 meter long, 5 feet 7 inches, and 50 kilograms. Dolphin pregnancies are typically around 12 months for bottlenose dolphins, although gestation periods can vary among species. During pregnancy, female dolphins gain weight, and the pod group of dolphins provides support by aiding in finding food, protection, and social interaction. Scientists have also developed methods like drone monitoring to detect pregnancy. During pregnancies, the pod plays a crucial role in supporting the pregnant dolphin. They help with foraging for food, providing protection, and ensuring the overall well being of the expectant mother. This collective effort highlights the cooperative nature of dolphins. Female dolphins experience hormonal changes and gain weight during pregnancies.
Yeah, you want some attention. All over you by yourself. Eh? All over you by yourself. Eh? You want some attention. Hmm? Oh, wait there. Oh, there you go. You got a buddy. Yeah. Don't blow the water for me. Yeah, blow water for me. Yeah. Yeah.
Dolphin calves are born in the water, typically tail first, but head first births are also seen. The umbilical cord snaps during delivery, and sometimes assisting dolphins stay close to the mother and calf. Following birth, mothers double their food intake, and the intervals between calves can vary from 3 to 5 years according to the Dolphin Research Center. Calves stay close to their mothers for a few years before venturing off on their own. Bottlenose dolphin pregnancies are somewhere in the middle, lasting about 12 months, a little longer than human pregnancy, which lasts 9 months. Dolphins give birth to a single baby. The baby is usually born tail first, unlike most mammals, to minimize the risk of drowning. The birth can take a couple of hours. Dolphins are considered highly intelligent animals. They demonstrate complex problem solving abilities, sophisticated social interactions, and even the ability to learn and teach each other new skills. Dolphins also exhibit self awareness as evidenced by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. Here is why dolphins are considered so smart. Dolphins have been observed to solve problems in novel situations, demonstrating a capacity for planning and adaptation. They live in complex social groups with distinct personalities and communicate through a complex language system. Dolphins are among the few animal species that can recognize themselves in mirrors, indicating a high level of self-awareness. Certain dolphin populations have been observed to use tools like sea sponges to protect themselves while foraging. Dolphins can learn new skills from each other and pass down knowledge through generations.